Welcome to Raw Home Furnishings. I'm excited to give you a tour of our manufacturing facility. Come on in. This is where everything begins. The cutter selects the hides for the leather, and then we begin the process of cutting. We have patterns for each and every style. It can be made as a sofa, sectional, chair, love seat. It's entirely up to you. Our sewing is all done on computerized sewing machines. This is what we call a double stitch. It's referred to in the industry as a baseball stitch. What we do is we use a backing tape. This adds extra durability so the stitching will never come loose. This is our upholstery department. This is where we upholster the furniture, assemble the furniture, and prepare it for delivery. As you can see, we're looking at a solid frame of one of our styles that we manufacture. This style has a drop-in coil system. What that means is that there's 9 coils per seat, 27 coils on a sofa. This is what gives you the longevity of your sofa. Here's a leather that we import from Italy. It's called a distress leather. So when you crumple it in your hands, you'll see different shades, highs and lows of the leather. And as you massage the leather, the color comes back. Look forward to seeing you again soon.